13 people whose bank accounts were there, all savings accounts. 8.2 crores was withdrawn in the cybercrime. 8.2 crores was withdrawn and converted into crypto and sent abroad. This is initial investigation. Once we get more details, we'll be able to tell further on these people. They are involved in all different types of MOs. MOs are same trending MOs which are there: digital arrest, KYC fraud, or your part-time jobs, business investments. So MOs are common. The only difference is that all these this time are savings account. Last time they were all current accounts. These are all saving accounts. Difference is that current account is for business purpose, and those current accounts were being managed by some operator and online transactions happening separately. Savings accounts are of individuals, and existing saving accounts ki use chesi they have done this. So that is majorly which has happened in this case. We are hoping to get some more criminals in this very soon, especially once we get details from the crypto wallets. This is majorly about this operation which has happened. So the teams from the bureau, after lot of technical analysis, have been working for almost last 3 weeks to develop this information, and in the last 48 hours we have caught these people, and they have been handed over to the concerned police station. One case against major cases in the bureau involving all the agents, and the others are wherever the crime links are available. They have been handed over to the concerned local police. The cases against them are in various districts, including the Tri-Commissionerates and also Karimnagar and Jagtiyal. So these are the 5 places where cases already exist against these people. So in continuation to that, since we are coming to the closing of the year, so in this year the Bureau for the first time had started doing operations, and so this is the 3rd operation which we did. The first was in Rajasthan, as we told. The second one was in Telangana recently, and this is again we first did it here in Telangana. As you are all aware that the cyber crime is showing an increasing trend. So the number of cases which we registered this year or the complaints which we got this year were almost 18% more than what was last year. So there's about an 18 to 20% increase in cyber crimes being reported. And during this year, it was the first time that we had started registering cases in the bureau. The police stations, the 7 police stations started functioning this year. And you are all aware of the phenomenal work with respect to refund which has happened this year. So this year we've been able to refund now 176 crores approximately. 176 crores has been returned as compared to about 8 crores last year. Besides, the number of total cyber criminals which were arrested has also increased. It is not only the one which the Bureau did, but we have we have also created a special teams, joint teams which operate with the Bureau, and these teams are also executing PT warrants, getting criminals from different parts of the country. So that is another one thing which was done this year. And total, how many accused we have arrested this year?